Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm here to teach you guys how to crack someone else's lower back. Before I go further, this is my little cousin.
Hello.
And I want to introduce her channel and give her credit. She's been on here for three, four times. And here she is.
Hello, my name is Maisie Pham. Nice to meet you guys.
And she loves to sing and loves to listen to music. That's what her channel is about. And oh yeah, let me introduce you to my cameraman. She's been recording my video a lot, so let's give some credit. Here she is.
Hello everyone, I have a Slam YouTube channel, and if you guys want to watch ASMR Slam video, then check me out in the description box below, and please subscribe to my channel, and yeah,
her channel is very good. It's called Nana Boba, Nanaboba. So let's get to it, to backtracking. First of all, I'll have my assistant lay down on her side. That's step number one. And then put the pillow right here. I'm gonna put the microphone right here so you guys can hear the crack. And the second step is to bring her foot underneath her knee, like so, right here. So she's on her side. And to create leverage, you pull the arm like so. And then with this hand, you hold it right here. And then with this hand, you put it on her butt. And then you push. There we go. For the other side. Okay, same thing. Put the microphone right here. Pull her arm forward, create some leverage, and then place your hand or your palm right on the upper cheek of the butt, and then push. There we go. And that's how you do it. Please consult your physician or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.